This guide puts you through on how to turn off all notifications on iPhone. If you're getting notifications from your social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, and you don't want that to keep repeating, learn how you can turn them off, the notifications off from this video tutorial. Let's go.
Turning off notification on iPhone is simple and easy. I will teach you two methods through which you can do this, okay? The first is through the control. So swipe down from the top right until you see these controls here. One of the options there is focus, alright? So tap on focus, alright? You will see do not disturb. Tap on the three dots at the do not disturb, okay, and select how long you want to turn the notification off. You have 1 hour, you have until evening, you have until I leave this location. All right, so make your choice. All right, there's another way you can turn off notification on iPhone, that is through the settings. So tap on the settings. As the settings page opens, tap on notifications. Okay, this displays some of the apps, almost all the apps you have on your iPhone. So you can see WhatsApp, you can see Word, you can see X, you can see YouTube. Okay, so start turning off notification individually on each of these apps. Okay, if you only want to turn off notification for WhatsApp, for example, tap on WhatsApp, and then under allow notifications, just turn that off, okay, and you stop getting notification from WhatsApp. Okay, the same applies for other apps, example Instagram. If you want to turn off notification from Instagram, tap on it, and then under allow notifications, just turn it off and you're good. Okay, so these are just the steps you need to take to turn off notifications on iPhone. Remember, the device I'm using for this tutorial is iPhone 11 Pro 4. So if you are searching for help on how to turn off notification on iPhone 11 Pro, this still applies, okay, as well as in other iPhones.
I hope you find this guide helpful. Please do like, subscribe, and leave a comment.